how to watch Netflix in sync with friends remotely while video chatting. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Scener and tap on the very first link you see there. You will then see the option for Get Scener. Tap on that and then tap on the Add Extension button. Now, tap on the Add to Chrome button you see there. Further, tap on the Login button and go ahead and log yourself into Scener. And if you do not have a Scener account, you can also go ahead and create one. Once logged in, tap on the Host a Watch Party option you see there, and further tap on the Start Now button. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Netflix options from the options provided. You will be prompted to sign into your Netflix account, so go ahead and sign yourself in using your Netflix login credentials and further play the movie or series you want to watch in sync with friends. Now tap on the share option you see there in order to share the link with your friends. They can further join the link by accepting the invitation. Ensure that it is important for your friends to have a Scener account as well as a Netflix account to be able to watch in sync with you. You can also enable camera and microphone if required. You can also pass the remote if you want. So this is how you can watch Netflix in sync with friends remotely while video chatting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.